one thing that we said very strongly in Impressions was, let's stop talking about the problem and let's start talking about the solutions. How can we engage all of our stakeholders in that discussion about what it takes to implement combinations of solutions?
Today I'm looking on the same issue much different than I was looking 5 years ago. In all this time now, the lessons are getting more and more clear. We have to understand future, that there is not one future, there are different futures. If we decided where to go, then it's important to activate energies which are in society to go in this direction.
The Paris Agreement was signed during the project. It's positive to have that kind of agreement at the international level, but it doesn't fundamentally change the risk that we are headed for much higher levels of climate change than was agreed in Paris.
The impacts are real and they can be translated into very tangible impacts at the community level. You can actually have very meaningful conversations, people will realize the problem, and we can come up with quite creative solutions.
It's just surprising how the modeling of all the scenarios is so different, and all the elements that they contain can be so sometimes contrasting or so different to each other.
We knew it was going to be complex, but it's really complex. Yeah.
My one-word summary is urgency, because by looking at high-end impacts, it becomes clear that high-end impacts can stress society beyond its capacity to respond. So I think that sends a clear message to decision makers.